Good morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Dear student, we have completed chapter number 7, 8 and 9. Today we will start our new chapter number 10, our nervous system. So dear student, open your book, page number 92. Open your book, page number 92. Okay. Aims. In this chapter, we will read and learn about. What are the aims of this chapter? The nervous system, the brain, our sense organ, and fourth one, the reflexation. So, aims of this chapters are what we have to read and learn. We have to read and learn about first point about the nervous system. Then second about the brain. Third, our sense organ. And fourth point is about reflexation. Okay. So today we have started chapter number 10, our nervous system. Our nervous system. So, aims of this chapters, we have to read and learn about the nervous system. Then second one, about the brain. Third, our sense organ. And fourth one is reflexation. Okay, we have to focus on this point. So, pay attention in your book. First we will read it from the book. Aims. In this chapter, we will read and learn about the nervous system, the brain, our sense organ, reflexation. The nervous system controls all the other system of the body. The brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. Nervous system is the very important system in our human body. So, nervous system control all the other system of our body. Okay, the brain, the spinal cord and the nerve form the nervous system. So, remember this point. Nervous system control all the other system of our body. Okay. Nervous system control all the other system of our body. Remember this point. Nervous system controls all the other system of our then the brain, spinal cord and the nerve form the nervous system. Nervous system किससे मिलके बनता है? The brain, साथ में जो हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम है वो किन चीजों से मिलकर बना है? द ब्रेन, द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एंड नर्व। ये तीनों चीजें मिलकर हमारे क्या बनाती है? नर्वस सिस्टम, एंड इट कंट्रोल ऑल द अदर system of our human body. So our nervous system control all the other system of our body, and the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves form the nervous system. So underline this line in your book. The brain, the spinal cord and the nerves form the nervous system. Okay. Now let's talk about the brain. The brain. The brain is the control center of the human body. It receives information from all the other parts through different nerves. है ना? Brain is the control center of human body and it receives information from all the other parts through different nerves. An adult human brain weighs about 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. एक जो adult human brain है उसका weight कितना होता है? 1.4 kg. And brain is the control center of the human body. Which is the control center of human body? Brain. Brain is the control center of the human body. Underline this line. The brain is the control center of the human body and it receives information from all the other parts through different nerves. है ना? ब्रेन को जो इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है वो दूसरे पार्ट से मिलती है और वो भी डिफरेंट नर्व्स के थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन उस तक जाती है. An adult human brains weigh 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. है ना? एक एडल्ट वेट जो ब्रेन का वेट होता है वो कितना होता है? 1.4 kg. And it is made up of very tiny millions of cells. So the brain is the control center of, underline this line, the brain is the control center of human body. An adult human brain weight is 1.4 kg. And it contains millions of tiny cells. Now pay attention in your book. It is protected from shocks and jerks by a hard bony skull. So our brain is protected by our skull. Our brain is made up of 3 different parts and each part has its own work to do. So our brain is made up of 3 parts. What are they? First one is cerebrum, second one is cerebellum and third one is medulla. Okay. Brain is the control center of the human body and it receives information from the different parts through different nerves and it is made up of 3 different parts. जो हमारा ब्रेन है वो 3 पार्ट से बना होता है. कौन कौन से हैं? सेरिब्रम, सेरिबेलम एंड मेडुला. So our brain is made up of 3 different parts. First one is cerebrum. The largest part of the brain is cerebrum. It is dome-shaped surface, is covered with deep ridges and grooves. It controls the working of eyes, ears, nose and tongues. Means cerebrum controls our sense organ. It also controls our voice. It is the center of intelligence. It helps us to think, learn, remember and reason out things. So cerebrum is the largest part of our brain. है ना? Largest part of the brain is cerebrum and it controls the working of our sense organs. Means it controls our eyes, ears, nose and tongue. It also controls our voice. It is the center of intelligence. जितना भी हम सोचते हैं, ध्यान में रखते हैं, थिंकिंग करते हैं, ये सिर्फ किसके इस थ्रू होता है? cerebrum के थ्रू. It helps us to think, learn and remember and reason out things. So the brain is the control center of the human body. An adult human brain is 1.4 kg. Now our brain is made up of 3 parts. Our brain is made up of 3 different parts. 3 different parts. First, cerebrum. Second one is cerebellum. And third one is medulla. ओके, जो हमारा ब्रेन है वो 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट से बना होता है. उनके नाम क्या है? cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So first we will talk about cerebellum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Okay, cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls our sense organ. Means it controls our eyes, ears, nose. It also controls our voice also. It also helps us to think, remember and learn and reason out the things. मीन्स हम जितना सोचते हैं, समझते हैं, थिंकिंग करते हैं, वो किसके थ्रू होता है? सेरिब्रम के, है ना? ये हमारी वॉइस को भी कंट्रोल करता है, हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन के फंक्शन को भी कंट्रोल करता है. तो सेरिब्रम इज द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन. देन cerebellum. Below the cerebrum is the cerebellum. You have given picture in your book also. आपको बुक में पिक्चर दिख रहा है, स्कल है, उसके नीचे सेरिब्रम दिया है, उसके नीचे सेरिबेलम है. मतलब सेरिब्रम के नीचे क्या है? सेरिबेलम. बिलो द सेरिब्रम इज द सेरिबेलम. इट कोऑर्डिनेट्स द एक्शन ऑफ द मसल्स एंड मेक देम वर्क टुगेदर. Means it coordinates the action of muscles and make them work together. It helps us to balance our body, keep us in an upright posture. So your cerebrum works when you run, sit or move. Means when you sit, move or run, then our cerebellum works. Means it helps us to balance our body and keep us in upright posture, in correct posture. Okay, so it coordinates the action of our muscles and make them work together. Okay, then next one is medulla. Beneath the cerebellum, beneath the cerebellum lies the bulb-shaped medulla. Look at into the picture given at the book page number 92. Okay. Below the cerebellum, beneath the cerebellum, there is a medulla. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Means it connects our brain to the spinal cord. It controls involuntary actions like the movement of lungs and the heart. Means it controls our involuntary actions like the movement of heart and lungs. This part of the brain keeps working even when we sleep. Even when we are sleeping, the heart and the lung, it functions. Hai this part of the brain keeps working even when we sleep. So there are three main parts of the brain. The three different parts of the brain are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So first one is the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls our voice, it controls our sense organs, means it controls sense organ functions like eyes, ears, nose, tongue. It also helps us to learn, think, remember and reason out the thing also. Then below the cerebrum there is a cerebellum. Cerebellum, it controls and coordinate the action of muscle and make them work together. Okay. Then it also helps us to maintain our balance and keep us in upright posture. Then cerebellum works when we sit, run or move. Then medulla. Beneath the cerebellum, a bulb-like shaped structure called medulla, and it controls our involuntary actions like the movement of our heart and the lungs. This part of the brain keeps working even when we are sleeping. Okay, so remember this point. There are three parts in our brain: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Then next topic is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a thick cord of nerve tissue which extends down from the brain stem. It is about as thick as one of our finger. It is protected by our spine. Message travels from our brain down to the spinal cord to all parts of our body. Incoming messages enter the spinal cord from all parts of our body and then travel up to our brain. Means the spinal cord give message from our brain to the all other parts of the body, and all other messages from our body given by spinal cord to our brain. So the spinal cord is a thick cord of nerve tissue which extend down from the brain stem. It is about as thick as one of our finger. It is protected by our spine. Messages travel from our brain down to spinal cord to all parts of our body, and incoming messages enter the spinal cord from all parts of our body and then travel up to our brain. So remember this point. Nervous system control all the other system of our human body. Okay. there is cerebrum. This is cerebrum. Then this is cerebellum. And in the last there is a medulla. This picture is also given in your book at page number 92. So our nervous system control all the other system of our body. Then the brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. Okay, the brain is the control center of human body, and it receives information from the different parts through different nerves. An adult human brain is about 1.4 kg in weight and contains millions of tiny cells. So our brain is made up of three different parts called cerebrum, then cerebellum and medulla. Okay. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Okay. It controls our voice, it controls our sense organ function. It also helps us to remember, think and learn and reason out the things also. Okay. Then second part of the brain is cerebellum. Below the cerebrum is cerebellum. It controls the action of the muscles and make them work together. Okay. And it also helps us to maintain our body balance and make up in upright posture. And cerebrum works when we run, sit or move. Then third one is medulla. Okay, bulb shaped like structure called medulla. It controls involuntary muscles actions like the movement of heart and lungs. Even when we are sleeping, it works. Okay, so you have to remember this point. Now about the spinal cord. Once again I am reading from the book and page number 93. The spinal cord is a thick cord of a nerve tissue which extends from our brain stem. It is about as thick as one of our finger. It is protected by our spine. Message travel from our brain down to the spinal cord to all parts of our body. Means message travel from our brain to the spinal cord, then from spinal cord it travels to different parts of our body. Then same incoming messages enters the spinal cord from all the other parts of the body and send it back to the brain. Okay. So dear student, today you have to read this chapter about the nervous system, the parts of the brain. Means you have to read about cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. आपको ये चैप्टर मेडुला तक पूरा रीड करना है. And if you have any doubt, please call me. Okay, dear student, you have to read this chapter once again till मेडुला. आपको ये चैप्टर मेडुला तक रीड करना है. ओके, थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. गुड बाय.